Hi friends, I'm Dr. Shail Gupta, and today I'm going to talk about the technologies which we use in laser hair reduction. So see, laser, as the term says, it is actually laser hair reduction, it is not removal. So we can reduce your hair growth to a great extent in number as well as thickness of hair. Now the technologies which we use, many times people come to us after getting many sessions of laser hair reduction, but they say that it did not work. The primarily reason, one reason could be uh, inappropriate diagnosis, where the patients actually were having some medical issues because of which they were getting hair, and um, that was not addressed. But one reason could be the machine which you were actually getting your treatment from. So the concept of laser hair reduction is chromophore. So what happens uh, when you give the laser light, the light energy is absorbed by melanin which is present in the hair bulb. So this melanin, it gets heated, and once it gets heated up, the it gets burnt and the hair is destroyed. Now uh, if the color of the skin is dark, so there will be a competition, and the melanin of skin also will take up the melanin of skin will also take up the laser light, and it might induce a burn in the surrounding skin. So there are majorly three lasers which we use. One is diode laser, which comes in continuous and stamping mode. This is the gold standard treatment, and it is considered to be the best laser for almost all skin types. And the second is Nd:YAG long pulse laser. So Nd:YAG long pulse laser is also a good laser, and before this diode laser, this was the laser of choice. These days we prefer using diode laser the most because it gives us most consistent results. Now Nd:YAG Q-switch laser has a different frequency, wavelength, and it also works on the same principle. Now it has good results, and especially if the color of skin is very dark, then this is little better as compared to diode. Now third laser, which is not actually a laser, this is IPL, intense pulse light. So it's a light based device which obviously works on the same principle, and here this light in a particular spectrum is filtered, and that light again destroys the hair bulb. Now this is like the least preferred method out of these three. So the technology also is important which is being used for your laser hair reduction. So if you are using anything else, or different types of hair also, for coarse hair in a patient who has relatively fair skin, diode is the best technology. So if you want to know anything about this, please do write to us in comment section. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Thank you. Love yourself.